Welcome back to Gary Keep It Simple. Do you ever wake up in the morning and think, hello, I wonder what that was for? Well, there's a little question for you. I was looking at the cassette deck the other day and I thought, I wonder if people know what that knob's there for. Which knob? Well, this is my daily driver cassette deck, and I'm talking about this knob. No, not over there. I'm talking about the one there marked pitch control. So what's it for? Well, I've got a suspicion I know what it is. Let's see if you can guess. Answers in the comments below. Anyway, this will tell you. Just thought I'd mention, having looked through the manual, I remembered that I've forgotten something. Now, what this thing does is, quite happily, it's got a microphone input. In the old school, it's got a microphone input, and it's got, as you can see here, and it's got various functions. You can do mixing with it, and it says on the next page, it mentions the fact that it's got karaoke. You can see the words there, karaoke, using tape. So the idea is that you can use it to do karaoke and produce various results. I don't know how good it is, I'll have a play with that, but I just thought I'd mention it. It's part of the specification of the machine. For those that don't know, when you're doing karaoke, it's normal to alter the pitch of the playback to match your voice in case you can't sing exactly in tune. You might sing, you want it in a different key, is the words they use. And anyway, so that's what that's for. But that makes one question. What on earth is this for on here? Is this some sort of audiophile fetish? Anyway, if you've got any answers, put them in the comments and we'll see where we can go from there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you another time. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch you later. Bye-bye.